Good evening. We'll get to the Reds in just a minute, but first, a new alert tonight about crime near the UC campus.
The alert just hours old, and now police say they need more help from the victims to catch the crooks. 9 News reporter Bill Price joins us live with what he's learned so far. Bill?
Well, Clyde, what we can tell you is Cincinnati Police District 5 have already issued a special crime alert to residents living in and around the University of Cincinnati area after they saw a sudden rise in the number of armed robberies. Now, one of the most recent armed robberies happened just last night around 9:20 here at the intersection of McMillan and Fairview. Apparently, in that wooded area just across the intersection, a man jumped out and demanded property from a victim. Now, District 5 police commanders have brought in more than a dozen extra officers to the area just south of the UC campus to respond to reports of street crime faster. They're also publishing maps showing where these armed robberies are happening. Most are clustered south of McMillan Avenue and to the east of Ravine Street, happening between 11 at night and 3 in the morning. And commanders say no matter how many officers they bring in, they're going to have trouble finding suspects if victims wait before they report the crime.
It didn't help last night that we had 2 offenses and they weren't immediately reported. The one took approximately 30 minutes before they called us, the other one 11 minutes. And we all know if the sooner you can report them, the better. The greater opportunity we have to get there, establish a perimeter, set up our quadrant, conduct a canine track if possible, and make an arrest and apprehension.
Now, the crime alert also says, and this time in bold letters, that it's absolutely imperative for crime victims to notify police just as soon as possible because the chances of making arrests sharply fall off the longer the victim waits. And of course, that's true if you're a victim of crime anywhere, not just around the University of Cincinnati. Bill Price, 9 News, live in Fairview Heights.
All right, thanks, Bill. And